Alright, here's a quick video of the Ariens 522. The snowstorm literally just started about 10 minutes ago. We're believed to get about a foot of snow now. I'm gonna guess we're gonna get at least an inch. So there'll at least be a video of this thing in operation. I'm very excited to actually use this snowblower. I picked this up earlier this summer off my boss from work. And he pretty much gave this to me for free. He pretty much just wanted me to get some good use out of it and help some other people out. And the nice person I am, I will. I certainly do my neighbor's driveway with this, as well as to my other neighbors. I'll do the alley and a few houses over that way. And I also have the Montgomery Ward, which is over on the other side of town, actually the other side of this neighborhood where my mom lives, and I'm going to use that to help out my neighbors over there. So, if you're wondering where the Montgomery Wards is, that's where that snowblower is at, because it's obviously not there. It's not in the shed. I just fired this thing up just to see how it would run, and it's running really good. It's not smoking real bad. I just got some new 2-cycle today for it in the Montgomery Ward. So the old 2-cycle I was running in it, which I think the mixture was a bit off, so running some new oil in it makes a big difference. It does sound really good too. This is a little Tecumseh 2-cycle. I think 1.5 horse, 2 horse, something like that. Nice little snowblower. So there'll be some videos of this thing up tomorrow, probably. I'm gonna throw this up pretty much tonight, and hopefully I can get a good chance to use this little guy. I love this little snowblower, so I'm happy to use it. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good day.